Sky Resources is a professional skincare manufacturing company started in 1991 and possessed 25 years of history. Through the growth in all these years, we believe that our products and services have been contributing to the community. We have expertise in manufacturing various health and beauty care, hair care, skin care, personal care, cosmetics, and many more. We listen to our customers and deploy our profession to achieve perfections. We insist on our product's quality, and hence we have strict selections on our ingredients used to assure customer satisfaction. Aside from that, we have our in-house regulatory department to facilitate for statutory certifications. We suppose that the packaging of a product is significant to consumers' first impression. In conjunction with product manufacturer, we as well provide product packaging design. Every production division undergoes the finest training process, from the advanced tools and machinery to our well-trained staff. We possess a large-scale warehouse for stock storing issues, as well as delivery service to send goods to target destinations. We strive for excellence in our products, never-ending enhancement to accommodate the era development from time to time. R&D department enables our customers' products to always be in the leading place. A substantial company committed to a team of competent leaders. In here, we are more like a family than work partners. We believe the relations between us are not only a business deal, but together we contribute to create something new.